Recent archaeological studies have revealed that the artillery house and Department of Operations are located on the central axis of the Thang Long Imperial Citadel. Their presence has hindered key excavations to reveal the original structure of Kính Thiên Palace. Although historically significant, the buildings will be carefully dismantled with UNESCO's approval to protect Thang Long Imperial Citadel's universal values.
Doing a very good and satisfactory job by respecting the recommendations made by UNESCO and the World Heritage Committee, and that they are doing it in a very precise way.
The Long-Hanoi Heritage Conservation Center, in coordination with the Institute of Archaeology, has begun dismantling the artillery house and launched a 580 square meter excavation. Beneath centuries-old soil, major architectural remains have been found, including large column bases that confirm the palace's location.
These column foundations suggest that a very large and heavy structure once stood here.
Experts note that few heritage sites in the world contain such rich and undiscovered value. UNESCO considers the Thang Long Imperial Citadel a model of heritage conservation, offering valuable lessons for countries worldwide.